Good morning, class 5 students. In this class, we'll revise the first chapter in your Marigold book. That is chapter 1 in unit 1. It is a poem and the name of the poem is Ice Cream Man. This poem is about the delicious creamy treat that we prefer to have on a hot summer day. Now, let's start the poem. When summer's in the city and brings a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. So here the poem begins with a short description of a hot summer day. The atmospheric temperature is so high that everything outside seems to be on fire. At that moment, the sight of the ice cream man slowly dragging his cart along the street generates a sense of relief and excitement within the children. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! To see him fill the cones with moans of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. So, in the following two stanzas, the poet beautifully illustrates the ice cream cart and more specifically its content. The children cherished the view of the ice cream man stuffing the cones with pile of delicious ice creams, having varied and distinct flavors like vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. The poet also describes how the children relished the melodious bubbling sound of chilled soft drinks that gives us relief from the intolerable heat of summer days. Now let's proceed towards the last stanza. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honey bees. So in the last stanza, the poet compared the ice cream cart to a flower bed, comprising roses and sweet peas. The poet also drew a resemblance between the manner in which children gathered around the ice cream cart and swarm of bees assembling around a honeycomb. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood the poem. Thank you.